Hi everyone, we're going to check into this story about Prince William and his crisis manager, and we are going to see what is up with that. It doesn't sound good, does it? And apparently, she's very good at her job, I guess. So it's Lisa or Liza Ravenscroft, and um, we're just going to check in and see. I'm going to use Daniel again. Hello, Daniel. And if you wouldn't mind liking this video so that it'll go out in the algorithm of throughout YouTube, please, that would be great. And if you could give it a hype, I would appreciate it so much. So, Daniel, we are going to ask about Prince William today. Yes, okay. And I didn't tell you, yes is vertical for you guys and no is horizontal for you guys. So, we want to know about this new crisis manager, which is Liza or Lisa Ravenscroft. So, is she a good choice for Prince William? And that's going to yes. Okay. So, I want you to spell it out for us. Why did Prince William hire this woman to be a crisis manager? Can you please spell out why? Okay. Wow, okay. Let's go. You're changing directions here. Okay. Why did he, please spell out why he hired this. That is an S. I can see that. S. U. Are you saying, oh my goodness, S. S. Are you spelling out Sussex? Is that Sussex? That's the only thing I know. S-U-S-S. Wow, okay. Sussex what? S. Oh, let's go into Q, guys. Okay, U. So is that Sussex Squad? Is that what you're trying to spell? Oh, okay, that is going to yes. I thought it might say Harry and Meghan, but are they okay? So are they getting threats behind the scenes? Are they Prince William and Catherine? Are they getting threats behind the scenes from the Sussex Squad? Yes. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna clear it for a second. Clear the air here. And so it kind of, the energies kind of got confused. I wonder if I need to get another. I'm going to get Aggie. Thank you, Daniel. So, Aggie, this is Aggie and Amethyst. So, Aggie, um, please tell us, why did Prince William get a new crisis manager named Liza or Lisa Ravenscroft? And Daniel spelled out Sussex Squad. So could you tell us why, please? Would you tell us, please, why? T. Okay. It looks like an R. TR. Is that a Y? Try what? Try what? So what can this manager do, this crisis manager? Is that a B? W? Okay. Next letter, please. Yeah. Next letter. Try what? Please show us the next letter. Try. We really want to know, please. W-O. R. Okay, what else are you trying to tell us? You saying yes. W-O-R. Are you saying war? Are you saying war? W-A-R? That's yes. Try war? Is there a really bad war between in the royals? Oh my goodness. See, guys, I told you before, we do not have any idea what is going on behind the scenes. So what is she going to do? There's a war going on behind the scenes. We all know that, but I guess it's really bad. Yes. What is happening? Please tell us. We want to know. What in the world is happening? What has happened? Something happened lately, then. Yes. Something happened. What is the latest thing that happened and what has worried William, please? Can you tell us? You're just going to yes. Okay. Well, guys, that's it. Well, okay, we got we got the Sussex squad from Daniel, and we got Try War from Aggie. That's kind of weird, isn't it? Goodness, this is this what a time to be alive and watch the Royals duke it out. That was a little pun. Thank you all so much for being here. And please like this video so it'll go out into YouTube. Thank you so much. And thank you to all my lovely members for supporting this channel. And thank you to my subscribers and my brand new ones. Thank you so much. I will see you on the next one.